This is one of the most touching elephant sequences I've ever seen, even at Mana Pools. It's October, the height of the dry season, when the days are scorchingly hot and food is scarce. We can only guess at the thought processes involved. And although this little calf is only resting, it seems likely that what we are seeing here is concern on his mother's part, and affection and reassurance from an auntie, for a mother who's naturally worried about her youngster. Every year we see some deaths at this time. I'd like to hope, though, that this youngster and his mother survive until the rains come and the grass grows at Mana once again.